What's up, everyone? All right, first day of November, green day. We're gonna break it down in the recap. As always, questions, comments, leave them below. I'll respond to every single one, and I've got some exciting videos coming this weekend for you guys, so stay tuned for those. All right, enjoy the recap. What's up, everyone? All right, so daily recap here for Friday, the first day of November, and another green day, up $973, trading two stocks. I don't have a single loser today, which is awesome. And I took a bunch of trades. CRC, this was the one that I made the most on. Look at how clean this setup is. Now, interestingly, float on CRC is 47 million shares, but the pre-market chart was solid. I really liked it for a break over 730. I got in at 730, and we got to move on this all the way up to 825. So the interesting thing here is that for the month of November, I'm scaling back my share size. Now, I'm going to upload a separate video about this over the weekend. I'll probably upload it on Sunday. About my plans for November, and my plans as I'm getting ready to start the small account challenge and everything else. But today my max share size was 2,000 shares. So my largest dollar position was 2,000 shares of CRC at $8, which is a $16,000 position. All right, now that means if you had an account at CMEG with $3,000 in it, 3 times 6 is 18, you would have been able to take every single trade that I took today, and your account could have potentially been up 30% in one day, which is, obviously awesome. So this goes to show that small share size can work really well. I feel like, I want to be trading with big share size because, my account has grown. I'm up 300 grand on the year. I want to be trading with 10,000 shares. And if I had been trading with 10,000 shares today, that would be 5 times my positions that I did trade. Would I be up 5,000? The thing is, I don't know. Because of course, when you start increasing share size, you start trading a little differently. You can start getting a little erratic, and mistakes can be made, and slippage is always a factor. So in any case, right now I am a athlete in training for the small account challenge that starts December 1st. And that means for this month, I'm going to reduce my share size, probably cap it at about 4,000 shares. I mean, maybe there'll be a day where we see something up 100, 200%, and I'll say, all right, I'm going to open up a little bit today and go up to 10,000 or 15,000 shares. I might do that, if I see the opportunity. But generally, on a regular day like today, I'm going to be focused on training for my next challenge. When I start my next challenge, most likely during the first week, I might not even be able to trade with 1,000 shares. So getting used to trading with 2,000, and 3,000 is a good plan. I will be starting with $500 in my account, and if I lose money, on my first couple days, then I'll be working with 400 or 300. And if I have to add money, I will. It's the same as what anyone else would do, right? If you have an account and you lose some money and you have to add some, you add some. And I'll record that, and that'll be part of the challenge. And that's the journey of growing a small account. Sometimes you get, knocked up. Sometimes you get beat up, knocked around a little bit before before things open up. So that's fine. If that's how it goes, that's how it goes. My last, small account challenge from $583 the first day, I made 125, and the second day I made 187. So, right away I was going in the right direction, which was awesome. But that's not always the case. So anyways, CRC today, really solid action. My first trade on it was right down here, right here. Second trade was right here. Third trade was right here. Fourth trade was right here. All of those trades were green, which is awesome. CHFS being a little on the cheaper side. Actually, I did have one loser on CHFS, which was right here, and I lost $40 on it with 2,000 shares. But being a little on the cheaper side, I was a little bit more careful, cautious, wasn't totally sure it was going to work. I like it more over $2, but at this point, I'm going to call it a day. I'm going to take the $1,000 off the table, reminding myself that every single day you are either leaving money on the table or giving back profit. Today, maybe I'll leave a little money on the table, but you know what? This is going to be my 5th green day in a row, right? So let's see, let's just refresh. Yeah, and I'm going to close the month of October, and I'm never going to look at it again because October was a tough month, and that's why here in November, this is a great time for me to be getting focused. So plus $973.92, and that right there will keep the job away. So I'm gonna rest up, try to feel better, be back at it on Monday, and I will see you guys. I'll see you guys then. All right, that's it for me. Again, those of you guys watching on YouTube, questions, comments, leave them below. I'll answer every single comment that gets posted, so don't be afraid to ask some questions, and I will see you guys on Monday. Hey, did you know that I go live every single morning between 9 and 9:15 to stream my pre-market watch list? Subscribe to the channel, press the bell for the alert, and you'll get the notification.